So today we want to use Ndovesha marketing operator to create a landing page for a business called Top Heaven Real Estate. So where do I start? I head over to ndovesha.com, ndovesha.ai, and log into my account and access my agent. That is the landing page agent. Of course, there is a lot more to explore from the social media, post image, videos, add image, captions, and all that. Many more coming. So today we'll use the landing page agent to build a website, a landing page for Top Heaven Real Estate. So I'm already logged in, and I'll switch to the landing page agent, and what I need to do is just to simply give the agent my the details about very brief actually, just the business name, the colors, and just a brief about what Top Heaven does. So right into it, I'll type in the name of, just copy paste, they're somewhere on my notes. And so I'll tell the agent to create a landing page for Top Heaven Real Estate. Then I'll also give the other details with details as follows. So I will give the agent my colors. Let me just copy paste them, add them somewhere on my notes, but of course you can always type in. So I have the color codes. If you have the color codes, even better, because you're able to actually get a more defined layout. Also, the font. My font is K2D. And then, of course, I'll also give it a brief about Top Heaven. So Top Heaven helps you find whatever. So I just tell it business description, business info rather, paste it there, and then I tell chat to go. What happens in less than 10 minutes or even 5, so to say, I'll be able to get my landing page ready. Of course, you can always tweak, add more things like your contacts, if you've not added them in the, but even better if you have your contacts ready, or I mean any information that is very specific about your business, the contacts, the location, what else, things like the pricing, if it's already there, for maybe for packages, an email address maybe which you have, if you give it all, you'll be able to actually get more or less ready website in the first message. So, but for now, we just use the brief information. Then we'll be able to see what chat will give us. So we just give it around 3 minutes. We get our page, and we'll be able to go all the way to publishing. Be sipping my coffee as chat here does the thing. So it's 2026. I don't think there is any reason for you to not have a website for your business. So the faster you head over to Ndovesha.ai and chat up the marketing operator, the sooner you will have your business website up. So, of course, a lot of other amazing features in there. The library, you're able to actually get your assets, whichever you have created before, and see them and review, and also do things like editing. So, and actually, our agent as our website ready. So you get a preview, of course, from within the chat. And now the most amazing feature which takes you live is the publish feature. So I'll click on publish, and of course I'm able to, of course it auto picks a URL for you. Like, call it a, so to say, a link which now it's public. You can share it. People can see you online, can check out your services. So Yes, so now we have our landing page ready, so published. So we'll head over to, our URL, and see what the Ndovesha landing page agent has built for us. So it's here. Let's see. Yeah, and loading. Yeah, and here we go. You can see, very well done. Balancing of the, the text, the hero section. So, of course, there are a few things, of course, you can always change, like the images, of course, whatever it's given you. But, for a start, you really get a website which is actually live, and you can have it out there. People can find you, contact you. Yes, very well done. Listing of the, you can see, like, for this being a list, you can see the listing of the properties with the, the amounts and all that. Cause some data in there, customer testimonials. Yeah, and very well laid out. CTS. So, so you can see in less than 5 minutes we have a landing page, and actually, even make it better. We have a website live for top event related. So head over to Ndovesha.ai, check it out, build a website for your business, and all the best.